Study halls, SATs, liberal arts, student loans, layoffs, bailouts, broken dreams. This is not our future. Things are different for us. You can invent an app, start a blog, sell things online. My friends and I, we promote parties.
Bring your friends, bring all your friends. If they look like you, bring them all.
But if you're a DJ, all you need is a laptop, some talent, and one track. That track is your ticket to everything.
That guy right there?
See that handsome man right there?
He's DJing.
I'm DJing.
It's just a side room, though.
Can you play Drunken Love?
Absolutely not.
I just read about this guy, right, who invented Instagram. He sold it for $400 million. Now, he was 26 years old. You guys want to make real money? You want to live and die in the valley? We got to get out of here.
Hey, you know, this party's looking a little stiff.
So what are you saying? I need to amp it up?
I mean, you can try.
It's the DJ's job to get the crowd out of their heads and into their bodies. I like to start them off at about 125 beats per minute. Once you've locked onto their heart rate, you start bringing them up, song by song. 128 beats per minute, that's the magic number.
You were good out there. You really know how to work a crowd.
Play me something.
I'm just gonna skip ahead.
Whenever you guys are ready to start making some real loot, you need to holler at me.
If you think I'm going to work for that guy, you're out of your mind.
This is our future.
No.
I mean, Cole, are we ever gonna be better than this?
James thinks you're really talented.
Any successful artist, they have this moment where they stop being an admirer and they find their signature. Sounds have soul. Build them from scratch. Find new ones. Get your head out of that laptop and start listening to what the real world is trying to tell you.
We don't need him, we got our own thing.
It doesn't work like that. We're not going to be millionaires. It is not going to happen.
What happened to loyalty?
What, I'm not loyal now? Everybody is responsible for themselves. You got that?
If you have a dream, and it's made of everything that's made you, hardship, friendship, so much love, that's your ticket to everything. This is my future.
This is gonna be the best
Night
of your
life.
What's up? I'm Cole Carter.